Welcome to a very wet St. Maarten's weekend vlog! Woo! Run! Okay, I'm going to try and do this with my GoPro, and the plane is going to take off now. Ready for the jet blast? Woo, it's going to be big. Oh, I can feel it already happening. Welcome to the Sonesto Maho Beach Resort Hotel. I am on the 10th floor in room 1004. I'm just gonna get, straight to the view, because there's only one reason why you come to a hotel like this, and it's to look at probably the most exciting airport beach in the world. If you can see it straight over there, that's Maho Beach. That's the famous one where all the planes come down, they land. The runway is there, and the final approach is right here. Anyway, this hotel, like I said, we're on the 10th floor, so we're at the top. You're on the top floor if you get this view. There's the pool. Antigua is over there where I've come from. St. Bart, I think St. Bart is over there somewhere. This is a massive yachting destination. One of my friends works on a yacht, and he told me this is basically where all the rich and famous come. So anyway, back to the room. One thing that's a bit peculiar. What's this? What's going on? What's the theme there? I didn't get that one. So minibar will look like this. Yep. You can tell I'm not that interested in the hotel, can you? Okay, the bathroom's quite nice. I had a shower, it's all good. Here's the amenities. Boom. All right, so you've seen the room, you know the hotel. Let's go down and check out the pool, and then onto the beach.